everyone tells you to go viral, post every day, and build a huge audience before you start selling anything. Well, forget all of it. It's just not true. You can get your first paying customer this week with 0 followers, no Instagram, no email list, and grow it to $7,000 a month. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I watched Dana, a college counselor with nothing but the contacts already in her phone, do it. No audience, no tech skills, first sales in days. Now, I am Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. We help you sell digital products with no website and no tech headaches. Our AI also helps you find your product, build it, and write your sales page. You're never alone doing this. Now, if you've got a product but no buyers, this video is for you. And I'm handing you the 3 AI prompts that do the hardest part for you. So let's go. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. You don't need traffic. What you need? People. Finding your first buyers is the hard part. Not making the product, because AI can help you with that now, but getting it in front of real humans. That's where everyone quits, but not you, because I'm handing you the path. 3 steps, 3 prompts, your warmest people to your coldest. And step 1 is so simple, you could do it in the next 10 minutes. So step 1 is people who already know you. These are people in your contacts, people you know IRL. Now you're gonna do this in 2 moves. 1, don't ask these people to buy your product. Ask who they know and get a warm intro. So for Dana, that was sending messages like this. Hey, know any parents stressed out about kids applying to college? Boom, a warm intro to a real buyer. And 2, give your product away for free to a few people at the beginning for honest feedback and maybe even a testimonial. So now you've got proof and 0 icky feelings. And that's exactly how Dana got her first sales. The only hard part is what to say. So don't worry, let AI write it. Prompt 1 is in the description. You can click the link below to get it. And here it is. You're a friendly copywriter. I sell, add your product that helps add your audience with this transformation. Paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, add your product, and send 3 of these today. Now, what if the people you know aren't your buyers? Okay, step 2. Communities. So this is one ring out to strangers who have the problem you solve. The gold mine? Facebook groups. There's one for every niche, packed with your potential buyers. Now the one rule, or you'll get banned, don't drop a link to your product and run. Show up every day for maybe 10 minutes. Be useful. Answer the question your product solves. Then, when it feels right and not salesy, mention your resource. One post can send 50 people to your sales page. 50. So prompt 2 finds the groups and writes the post for you. And here is prompt 2. You're a community marketing expert. But step 3 is the one almost nobody uses. And it's how Dana 10x'd her buyers. You're gonna borrow an audience using bundles. So don't build that audience, borrow it. Find 3 to 5 creators who sell to your people but aren't direct competitors. And do a product bundle. Everyone adds a digital product and everyone promotes it to their audiences. Now, if you don't have an audience, but they do, you offer to be the one who puts the whole thing together. And now you've got instant access to hundreds of buyers and your first real email list. Dana went from 10 buyers to a few hundred doing exactly this. Prompt 3 writes the pitch. You are a partnership strategist. Now stay with me, because here's what really makes all 3 of these strategies work. And it's not the prompts. They're all about being human. The prompts kill the blank page, but they don't replace you. People buy because you showed up and actually helped. And that's the best news of all, because it means you already have the one thing that matters, you. How this becomes $7,000 a month? Well, watch. Say these methods bring Dana 150 sales of her $29 roadmap. That's $4,350. At checkout, she adds a $17 college tracker. One tick of a box, people buy it. 40% of her original buyers say yes to this. That's another $1,020 with no new traffic. Then comes the real money. Every happy buyer is a future coaching client. She sells college coaching at $300. 6 a month, that's $1,800, and you add it all up and you're at over $7,000 a month. Now, is this automatic? No, but look how she got here. A few messages to people she already knew. That's the whole secret, and you can start it today. And setting it all up is so simple because we're going to use MiloTree. Here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I pick my product, I click View Sales Page. The AI writes my sales page in seconds. I then get a link to that sales page, and that's what I drop in my messages, my groups, my bundle. They click, they buy, MiloTree delivers it and pays me. Then watch this. At checkout, I flip on an order bump. It's just this one box, and Dana's $29 buyer becomes a $46 buyer in a single click. One product feeds the next, all in one place called MiloTree. So here's your move right now. Grab the 3 free prompts below. 2, send 3 messages to people you know today, not next week. I'm saying today. You could have a sale by this weekend. And if you want the order bumps and the upsells so you could sell coaching, for example, that's MiloTree's Grow Plan, $25 a month paid annually. You can start for free, no credit card. You don't need traffic. You don't need to go viral. You need a handful of the right people and the right strategy, and now you've got the prompts to reach them. So you've got this. And in my next video, watch how to turn an ebook into $7,000 per month by strategically putting your customer on a journey. See you there.